Guys, here he is. Woo woo! The man of the day, the man of the hour. King Akeen. Woo woo! Happy birthday. Cheers. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you so much, babe.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hi guys, happy Thursday. Today's Akeen's birthday, but he is at work right now and I don't waste no time. If I have days off, I'm getting things done. So I just swept and mopped the floor, or actually vacuumed and mopped the floor. Now I'm at my friend Sharon's. She's already removed all of this. So do you see this area right here? We're going to transform this area. I wanted to do a before and after, but she beat me to it. She already got this all packed up here. She was hard at work before I came, so yeah. So anyway, let's see the before and after. Okay, so this is now, and then I'll show you what it's going to look like when we're done. So Sharon, do you want to say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Are you excited to get this all?
Oh yes, much so.
Okay, so we got some rocks, we got landscaping fabric, we got mats, and we got lights.
And we got pizzazz.
And we got pizzazz. And we got a beautiful day. Hallelujah. It's a beautiful day here.
Beautiful day.
Yes. Okay, so we got the black fabric down and we got some mats. And just watch what we're going to do now. Okay guys, this is the finished product. Just cleaned it up, you know. I wish we had took a before, like before before everything was moved. But yeah, we still got to put the lights up. But there. Woo, we're all out of breath now. So happy to get it done though. And now it's time to pick up Raj. Oh nice, she's got a big backyard, lah. So, neighbors, hers is looking good. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. She's gonna get new chair covers and yeah, we put the lights up. It'll be good, I'm so happy. Oh my god guys, so Akeen ended up having the day off, so I'm gonna get him a cake. I just made reservations at a restaurant and I'm gonna pull this together really quickly, somehow, some way. I thought we were gonna do it on another day because he was working, but I'm looking like a wreck. I just finished doing Sharon's patio area. Now I gotta go home and get cleaned up. First is the cake.
Daddy wants this one.
No, Daddy do not want a little pony, honey. No. Daddy does not want a little pony. I'm thinking maybe like one of these.
You want this?
Look at this. I know which one you would want. Look at this. Monster truck. Oh my gosh, look at this piece of poop. Your father is not a piece of poop, so we are not getting that one. So I'm thinking like one of these ones here.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Mommy?
Yes, my darling.
How is she like this one?
No, I think I'm gonna get one over here, honey. So what's the difference between these cakes over here? Like these ones and these ones?
So these ones are the blizzard cakes,
Yeah.
and then they have like whatever toppings on top. They have that
Oh,
inside.
so what's this one?
That one's cookie dough.
And what's this one?
That one is our peanut butter cup.
Oh, peanut butter cup or cookie dough. Which one?
Mommy,
Yes?
I did. Do you want this?
I don't know. I gotta try to decide here. Okay, so guys, I think I'm gonna go with the strawberry cheesecake. That's the one I think I'm gonna go with. Because I know he likes strawberry and cheesecake. And the other ones I'm not sure about. So that I am. So this is the one. So we'll get that one right there in the bottom. Thank you. I've got paint on me. I gotta go get myself cleaned up. Birthday vibes. Stay tuned. All right. Thank you very much. All right. Happy birthday, Akeen. All right.
Happy birthday, kid.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Sing happy birthday to Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
When we go home, you're going to say happy birthday to Daddy?
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Oh. Okay, let's go to the car. It's so hot today. I gotta get home quickly. Other door, baby, so that this doesn't melt. Oops. Sorry, honey. Mommy bunked you in the head. All right. Oh, it's so beautiful and so hot out. So we went to Dairy Queen for his cake. Pardon me?
Close the door.
Close the door, please.
Close the door, please.
Okay, you gotta be nice, okay? Alright. Okay, so you're ready for Daddy's birthday? Yeah, okay.
Yes, baby.
Should I wear these ones or these ones?
What? The
Are you a
earrings?
small earring kind of guy or are you a big earring kind of guy? Like, what do you like?
Oh my, oh my. I love everything about it, baby. Yeah, I don't know, right now, but like we have on already. Everything we have on just on fleek. Yeah.
Alright.
Sister, so you go for kid birthday?
Yeah.
Oh my. Right now you
I don't
mash
have
up
my
my
purse
head.
on yet, but
I mean, you get me in a mood, baby. Come on, man. Come on, man.
guys, I went from doing sorry, I'm all tongue-tied here. He got me all flustered.
With me? With me though.
No, I went from doing the Sharon's patio to see, I clean up pretty good, eh?
Yeah, you have the killer in a
Come see,
mood.
Raj, come see. Come get in the video. Say happy birthday. Sing happy birthday to Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my
And
god.
many more.
Thank you guys so much, man. My little family. You know, I appreciate you guys so much.
We love you.
Yeah, man, God did, man. You hear that? +1. That is it.
Okay, guys, so I whipped something together really quickly. I do have a massage booked for us, a couple's massage, and we have dinner reservations at that restaurant that we couldn't get into Mother's Day, Matone's, which is the old Salmon Point one down on the water. We haven't eaten there before, so we're gonna go there. I was told it was nice. So Akeen's in getting dressed now. I'm ready, and yeah, put something on, and Rajero's ready in there, and I did get him some balloons and a gift, and there's his cake, and also we hit 5,000 subscribers, so I thought I would get a big 5K and celebrate that also, because we pretty much started our YouTube channel around Akeen's birthday. It was a little bit before Akeen's birthday last year. So, you know, in 1 year we hit 5K, so that's good. And it's his birthday. So yeah, so I thought we'd celebrate the two of it because it's 2 milestones, right? And Akeen is really excited. We put in a lot of work in this channel. This was a dream of his, and together as a team, we did it. We're going strong, and so we're going to celebrate that as well. Thank you guys for all of you. We couldn't have done it without you. We thank you for all of those of you who've subscribed, and we just hope that more will subscribe, and we're sure we will, because that's the natural process of YouTubing, right? Is that it does build over time. So anyone that is watching that hasn't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And here comes Rajero. We're just waiting on Daddy, right? Are we waiting on Daddy, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
That's Daddy's cake. Yeah, we're going to light it and we're going to sing happy birthday and again. I know we already did, but and then Daddy can blow out the candles, okay?
Yeah.
And then, yes?
Daddy want the blue cake.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So anyway, the 5 is backwards, but here we go. 5K, yay! And when I was getting the balloons, Rajero had to have one too, so he got SpongeBob. Right, baby? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You like the cakes? Pretty? So yeah. You're so cute.
Yeah.
So we're just waiting on Akeen, and then we will. This is an ice cream cake. This is what he wanted, so that's what we got.
Mommy?
Yes, my love.
The cake go over there, and alphabets on that cake.
It says happy birthday, Akeen. Akeen, your daddy's name.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. We gotta wait patiently, and we're gonna have cake after supper. I just thought we would do that now, and so he could see everything that we did for him on his special day. And like I said, we put this together really quickly because I wasn't thinking I thought he was working today, and we were gonna celebrate his birthday another day. So this was, he texted. I looked at my clock, I looked at my phone at 3 o'clock, and it said, I don't have to work now. So I'm like, what? He's like, oh, I guess it worked out good. And I'm like, oh, good. That means, I said to myself, I have to get things together. I got to get myself together because I was still at Sharon's just ready to go shopping for new chair cushions and a barbecue cover. So anyways, we all put it all together. I came home, we showered, we got ready, and now we're just waiting on the birthday boy to go out for supper, and we're going for a massage and yeah, all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Okay guys, here he is. Woo woo! The man of the day, the man of the hour, King Akeen. Woo woo! Happy birthday!
Yeah, God bless you, you know, guys. But you know what? You guys make it so special, man. You know why? Because right on my birthday, you guys give me 5K subscribers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could have asked for nothing better.
Little by little, step by step,
Yeah.
it is growing.
Yeah, as I say, guys, what you guys do for us as a family, me appreciate it every time. You understand what I mean? Me appreciate the love, me appreciate the support. 5K on my birthday. I mean, it's a big, big accomplishment, man. You understand? I couldn't ask for nothing more from you guys, and that's just you guys showing us support and telling us to keep going. You know what I understand? Without saying keep going, you guys are showing the support, showing the love, showing the affection. So guess what? We keep going, man, and it's a big accomplishment. As I said, I couldn't ask for nothing more for my birthday, and I just love, man. I love. It's just a big blessing. I understand for my birthday, and trust me. So you guys stay tuned for the vlog, and just remember, man, keep liking, keep commenting, keep sharing. Yeah, keep supporting us, the Edwards, right? Because we build it from nothing, you know, and we keep going. That is it.
So this is the cake, guys. Hold on. We're going to sing happy birthday to Daddy.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
What kind of cake is it?
And many more. Blow out the candles, Daddy.
Yeah, bad man a blow candles still.
Alright,
Alright, good. Yeah. One more year of greatness. You understand? Ever since me there, level up. Always level up. It never happened overnight, and it never happened by accident. It just happened because God is in it. You understand what I mean? Yeah, my wife helped me throughout the years. My son come and help me. You understand? He might not know say help me, but he helped me to keep going. And you guys, you understand, help us to keep going too. Cause sometimes when the days feel dark and lonely, you understand, just by taking up the camera, you understand, change the whole trajectory of everything. And as you can see, 5K. You understand? You might not understand it properly, but you understand, y'all know 5K are the biggest birthday gift that I could ever get from you guys. You understand? Because nothing feels good like when you build something for yourself. You understand? And that is it. Me and my local family connect with them every day, love them. And that's the reason why we take the time out of our day to continue to reply to your message, to the comments, connect with them because our family. You understand? So another year brighter, another year stronger, another year wiser. You understand? And God be the glory, man. Great things he has done, you know?
Okay, put your cake there. It's a strawberry cheesecake ice cream cake.
Yeah.
Woo!
I get to my likes. See, understand what I say? I always tell her, say, at this me want, you know. When
I
that
didn't
time
know
that comes
what
up,
to
I
get.
just save it. But honestly, feel so happy that you save what I like. And you listen to me, I say, and that is the greatest. You understand? So, guys, that is it, man.
Okay, put the cake here and open your gift. Put your cake here.
Where's my gifts?
There's one right there, but there's a couple in there. So there's the cake. Woohoo! You can have a piece after, okay? We're gonna go eat some supper, and then we're gonna get a picture of you and Dad.
Feel heavy. Yeah.
Well, you got me an iPad, so I was like, okay.
Woo! Woo!
Oh yeah, cologne. Yeah, okay.
Woo!
Savage. Yeah. Yep. That's your curl cream. Hold on, Papa. Hold on. Curl cream for your hair.
Okay, babe.
A brush for your hair.
Oh, this help curl me here too. Okay, baby.
All right, he's letting his hair grow, guys, so he needs one of those.
What's this?
Okay, that's to clean up your side of the bed. And you know how you got like all these cords going everywhere? So that one is, let's see, it charges your watch and your phone.
Oh, you look like it have earbuds too.
Yeah, so you put your earbuds right here.
Okay.
Your phone
Holy
here,
shit.
And it's a night light. So you have your own night light now, a touch night light. Because I have my touch.
What do you think of this?
I don't know. I just thought to clean up your area because your area is like cords galore. He's got a cord for everything. It's like, oh my god.
Yeah, I can't wait to open this. I never asked for something like this.
No, I know.
Nice.
I know. It's so you can just instead of plugging everything in, you just gotta lodge your iPad. This is the big one, guys. It looks small, but this thing here, let me tell you. These things are not cheap. You got a new razor, baby. Plus, another thing we're gonna do, I didn't tell you. Another thing that I'm doing for you is we're going for a couples massage at the Coconut Spa. So it's a Thai massage, couples massage, and overlooking the water. Yeah, and then we're gonna go for dinner as well. So that's your birthday gift from me and Rajero.
Come here, what's up?
Go give Daddy a hug. He's just waiting for the cake, guys.
Are you waiting for the cake?
Yeah, I just thought we'd be tired when we got home. He's probably going to be sleeping on the way
Daddy
home.
want a kiss. Daddy want
That's why I did it now, but yeah, maybe we'll give him a little tiny piece right now, just because he's waiting so patiently.
Go big Jello star. It's a kissing moment.
Like good? What is it? Good?
You see how we did lamb for baby?
Really good. All right. Okay, we're on our way. Dave's driving. There's baby.
That's Edwards, man. That's Edwards.
I gotta
Which way we going, baby?
Yeah, it's out towards the church, so I have to sell my car, guys, to get an automatic because of my legs. So yeah, whenever we're in this car, babe's gonna be driving for now until I get my car. So
I'm driving her car, guys. It feels different.
yeah.
I've been driving in a long while, so it feels really different. But that's not the topic. The topic is my birthday today, and my baby's treating me to a couples massage and for dinner.
Yeah.
I really feel different, man. I haven't driven this car for so long. It feels so different. I feel like I'm higher in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I'm higher.
Well, yours is a sports car, right? So his got like sunroof, leather seats, and it's a sports model, 2-door. This is a 4-door cloth seat, just base, right? Just the base Elantra. So, but Elantras are good cars, though.
They're strong cars. They're like, I think they're outbased them as the Toyotas of Jamaica. So should say. I don't know.
I mean, you know, Toyotas and Hondas last up to 500. I've seen lots of Hyundais last up to 500. So whatever. You know, it's a good car. I used to sell them. They're really good cars. But anyways, we're gonna enjoy our drive. Beautiful day out today, so we're gonna turn some music on because if we vlog and put the music on, it's gonna copyright. So yeah, but it's a beautiful evening, guys, and yeah, stay tuned. Birthday King!
You know, Jaja blessing, you know. That is it. Not much my father got the rest. So being blessed I carry with right through. You understand? So forever grateful. Anytime, anything whatsoever I feel like earth, Father God get the praise. That's everything, you know. Yeah, today I'm my day. One more year stronger, one more year wiser, one more year happier. You understand what I mean? Yeah, and family I'm a biggest up, but care what look or care what. You understand? Work and support each other. You understand? And that's all they need. You understand? They need a rider. Somebody that believe in you.
In 1 kilometer, turn left onto Salmon Point Road.
Yeah. If somebody that believe in you, uplift you. And I care what the world have to offer. You understand? A person they are ready to the end. Now that may I deal with. But this ain't it, you know. God and time and God. My baby. Hey, man, just give me a kiss from my child. The rest is history.
Turn left onto Salmon Point Road.
And with that, we're turning on Salmon Point Road. So this is where we came on Mother's Day, but we couldn't get in. But we have a reservation today. So we ain't gonna be turned away today. Okay, so here's where we're going. As you can see, there's lots of people. Lots of cars, I should say. It's quite a busy restaurant. It's right on the water. So, people say it's really good, but we haven't been here, so let's try it out. Yeah. Go. Come on. What did you say that again?
Can I have a hug?
Oh, you can have a hug at the table, okay? At the table. Come on. Oh, look at the view. So beautiful. Come on. It's our first time here, so wow. Beautiful view. Okay, go in here, Papa.
I know you guys sit down. I got a bit of a speech here for you.
Okay. Mommy ordered you some fries, okay? So it's a really weird and different way of doing things. We had to look at the menu, figure out what we wanted, and then we had to go up to the counter up there and order it. That's so weird. And they're gonna bring it to the table, so. Anyway, I heard lots of rave reviews about this place, so I'm excited to try the food. Right, babe? You too? It was a different experience, but you know what? Great view. And we're here to celebrate Akeen, so we're going to enjoy ourselves. Do you want something to drink, babe? Do you want something to drink?
I should have looked on the juice menu. I didn't.
Oh, okay.
I should though.
All right.
Where's the juice menu?
I don't know. Maybe right there. Maybe we'll do a cocktail. So first we got Caesar salad, and then we got fries.
Are these fries for you?
Yeah.
Awesome. There you go.
Say thank
Like
you.
hot.
And then we got some wings coming. Non-alcoholic. Happy birthday.
Thank you,
Another
babe.
year. I love you. Cheers. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you so much, babe.
Blessings to a good year, good birthday, and yeah, more blessings and blessings and more blessings. Are you having fun drinking the water? How did you just laugh a minute ago? It's like,
And a steelhead risotto for yourself.
Okay.
Can I get you guys anything else right away?
No, that's it. Thank you.
You guys need anything else? Press this little button and we'll come see you, okay?
Okay.
Awesome. Enjoy.
Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Keith. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Blow it out.
You want to blow it?
You get up, cake, Raj. Then you just have to have some first, okay?
Hold on, you can have some. How is it? They're supposed to be really famous. Sticky toffee pudding or something, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Is it good? How is it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
He loves his sweets, guys. Oh my goodness, he loves his sweets.
Yeah.
No, you eat it hot, honey. You eat it. Yum. Good?
What are you having, Raj?
So how was
Oh
your
my God, I make another parking and somebody come and park right in front of me.
So how was your birthday, babe?
It was really good.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is why his knees are all skinned up.
I'm gonna drop till him learn, man. For just slow it down. Then I know I'm to Rajero. I have to keep dropping until him learn. So yo, slow down, brother.
He always wants the keys. He just always wants to be first. Comes barreling out, falling on his knees.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. So
evening. Trust me.
So guys, we're gonna end it here. This is the end of the evening.
Just remember, guys, if for my birthday, I want 10,000 people, 10 more thousand people to subscribe, like, and share the video. Yeah, and stay tuned for more. You know the style. Yeah, man, on our way back home now. You guys stay blessed. And then you know the rest. God will do the rest. So,
Yeah.
go and take care of yourself, big up on yourself, bless up on yourself, and the rest is history. Mwah.
Peace and love. Okay guys, time for my baby's massage. It's a hot day today. Couples massage.
So all who never know, couldn't get a massage done on the day then. So you get it on another day. No, nobody died. Nothing happened. The day just finished and couldn't get it done. So reschedule for another day and yeah, another day to
Still
rekindle with my baby and yeah, to have another day out, date night, day
Still
out.
part of his birthday gift.
Of course. So
Just a
get
little
it done
later.
and
Hmm.
no, the rest is history. So you guys stay tuned for it, right? It's a beautiful day in Campbell River. My wife is shining bright like a diamond. That's all we need to know. Well, yeah, God is good, so stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. I apologize for the late posting of this vlog, but massage was delayed, and so yeah, the vlog was delayed because I have to support my baby in whatever she plans for us. So yeah, she planned that and it never get to be done. And now we're gonna get it done and complete the vlog and post it. So sorry for keeping y'all waiting. Yeah, so tomorrow,
Yeah.
look out.
And we got another one ready after that, so we're ready for you. We got a couple more coming.
Yeah, a couple more.
Couple more coming. We're working and vlogging.
It's all love, man. You know, stay tuned for it.
Coconut Spa. Okay, the Coconut Spa. Thank you.
What's this?
Tea. So yeah, beautiful. Can't wait. Okay, let's drink our tea.
It's non-caffeine. Okay.
Not caffeine?
No
Okay.
caffeine.
All right. I'm gonna taste it. Cheers. Blue tea. Mmm.
Yes guys, so we're here at the Coconut Spa. You know, it's a couple massage moment, you know, so we're there and ambience is nice, the view is beautiful, and we're just gonna enjoy. Yeah, nice body massage, both of us, and see what the rest of the day have to bring, you know. It's really great, really beautiful to have one more year. It's a blessing, you know. Can't believe I'm getting so old so fast, but never guess what, I consider it a big blessing, you know, because many people never reach this age, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the moment and see what the rest of the day have to offer. You guys just big up on yourself and go and bless up on yourself. And yeah, my baby I drink her tea. I'm not gonna have none of tea. You know my style. But
Cheers.
Anyways, go and big up on yourself.
Okay, and the view is so nice. Okay guys, so we're gonna get undressed and let's get the party started.
Yeah, I can help you guys.
Wow. Babe, how was it?
100 out of 10.
What?
It was 100 out of 10.
Yeah, 100.
The experience was just off the chain. Yeah, they doesn't miss nothing. They don't miss like the single details you think like you see here or whatever. They don't miss out on nothing. I recommend this place to anybody. The setup is nice, the ambience is beautiful. I mean, they don't afraid to touch your body. They give you the full experience you're looking for, and yeah, that's why it's not my first time. It will never be my last time. I think it was just soaking up all in. You know, like a wet sponge. I was just soaking up all in and just enjoying the moment because it was just so good, like just so good. These Thai girls, they're perfect. They know exactly what they're doing. I have an injury down on my foot, and for some reason I never mention it, but they realize that my ankle is not how it should be, and I see she work around it. But the good ankle, she did what she have to do on it. So that just goes to show that their attention to details are on top. So yeah, just these little small things. It's really beautiful. It's just a really beautiful experience once again, and I enjoyed it. And I have to say thanks to Babe because yeah, she just listened to whatever I said and soak it up like a sponge, and just always just, you know, if it takes her 30 years to get that same experience that I had before, she's gonna do it. And yeah, just thanks to Babe, man, because she listened, and that's one quality that she have that I enjoyed so much. So
yeah, I really love it. I loved it, I mean. And same experience as Babe. I want to come here Mother's Day, birthday, Christmas. I want to take my friend Sharon. I want to take my mother. I want to take everybody. Everybody.
Coconut Spa.
Yeah.
Campbell River. One and only.
Yeah.
Win.
Everybody should experience this. And like where my knee injury, they were really careful. She was really careful around my knee injury, and I told her my lower, like, oh, it's just amazing. I can't explain it, how good it was. The best massage I've ever had. The one we had last year with the Dominican ladies were good. But this was a different.
To be honest, it was nothing compared to this.
No.
Like,
I think it was my second favorite. This was my first.
They didn't miss out on anything. That's the thing that I'm like, wow.
Yeah.
Like, they don't miss even
every
a head
detail.
massage. Like, it's crazy. I didn't ask for a head massage. Like, everything. So it was worth it. It was.
But she didn't touch your private though.
No. Oh my God. Damn.
He said. I was just making sure I didn't want to have to go out fighting anybody today. So this is another restaurant in Campbell River, overlooking the ocean. Hi! So there's another restaurant up on the next floor, so we're just going to check that out as well, and then we're going to decide which one we want. So we've decided we're going to go to a different restaurant, guys. So this is where we decided to come. Second birthday dinner.
Never stop me.
Ireland boss and me I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so me I tell you no, and me I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?